Hi guys, it's Gar Guy UK. So today we've got some interior RGB lighting for the car. So just a couple of simple products that you'll be able to add luminous to your car and give it a bit of an atmosphere at night, or you can use it during the day as well, it's up to you. So we've got two products that we're going to try. So first of all, we've got some LED cup holder lights. So we get two coasters. They provide 7 colours, and you do need to charge them up, but they do add a little bit of interior decoration and atmosphere to the car. So let's have a look what we get in the packet. Okay. So firstly, we get a charging cable. So as you can see, 2 coasters, USB-A socket, and then 2 ends to charge both the items at the same time, so that's good. Okay, so that's where you would charge it. Got a mirror finish. That's where the light is round the edge. That's where you would press it to turn it on and off. Okay, so it has got a protective film. It didn't tear off very well just then when I pulled the label off. If you get it with your nail, you can get that off quite easy. So they seem pretty well built. They feel nice and sturdy. Looks like they're made of acrylic. So they are supposed to be dustproof and waterproof. So they are vibration sensing, so when the cup pad senses a vibration, it will automatically turn on in the dark, and the lights will automatically turn off in 15 seconds. So they are quite smart and convenient as well. So I think what we need to do is we need to charge them up, and then we'll get testing them in the car when it's a little bit darker. So next we have some car interior lights. They're wireless. We get 2. They're interior lights. They're multicolour and they're rechargeable. So you can put them in your boot, you can use them as boot lights, or you can put them in your Footwell and use one of the colours to light your car up. I know that some people like RGB lighting in the car, so I think this will be a perfect start to see how that looks. So let's have a look what we get in the box. Okay, so it looks like we've got some sticky pads. It is magnetic, so you can obviously stick them on and take them off, so you can take them away to charge. Here we have the charging cable. So unlike the last one, it looks like you can only charge one up at a time. Or I might use the other cable from the other product to see if I can charge these up as well. So there's no visible instructions, but I should imagine it's quite simple to figure out. Oh, we're already lighting up. So this one looks pretty charged. If you can see the lights there and all the different colours. So just looking a bit closely then, you can see the LED lights on the top. You can see the battery there in the back. And there's the charging cable. So what I should imagine you do is you stick that side onto your car. And stick this back onto the product so it becomes magnetic. Holds it in place, and then you can just take it off to charge it when you need to. So yeah, I think what we'll do is we'll get both of these items charged up and we'll get them into the car and we can see what they look like at night and see what type of atmosphere they bring, to see if it's worth purchasing for yourself if you want to start your journey on the RGB lighting front. Okay, so I'll see you in the car and we'll test them out. Okay, we're in the car now and here are the instructions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the various settings, as we do have a few different modes on the cup holder. So what we need to do is we need to turn them on. As you can see, the instructions are on the bottom. So if you just press and hold, you'll see that they flash very quickly, so that means it's turned on. And as you can see, they've already started with the vibration sensing. And again with the other one. And again, the vibration sensitive, so they do turn on when they detect a vibration. So going through the settings then, we've got the flashing settings, so they do flicker, so this is the red. And then we move to the blue. You can see a slight flicker on them. And the green. And the pink, purple colour, you can see the slight flickering. And the yellow. And then moving to the blue again, this is a lighter blue. This is one of the 3 settings where they will flash with different colours. Again, the second setting with different colours. I think this is a nice setting as you do get a variety of colour. And again, the third setting. And here we have the static colours. So we start with white, red, blue, green, purple, yellow and blue. Okay, so moving on to the RGB LED lighting. So I've just stuck some blue tack on the back, so I'm not permanently installing these into the car, so I'm just putting the blue tack on the back just to stick them on so you can see the effect. Okay, so I've stuck them in the footwell. As you can see, this is the blue colour. And then we move on to the yellow colour. And the purple colour. I think it really gives a nice effect. And the blue, which is a lighter blue. And here we have a setting where it changes through all the colours. So if you want something a bit different and not the same, you can have it on this setting. I think it gives a nice ambient effect in the car, and just that extra bit of lighting at night if you want it. And then we've just got the white. If you just prefer it simple, and then we have red, which I think is quite striking. And then the green. So it is just a basic set of colours, but I think you'll agree they are quite effective. So I've just put it in the door so you can see how that looks. You might not want it in the footwell, you might want it in the door cards. I think it looks really effective. So if you just want to be able to see what you've got in your door, or you just want it to light up, I think it's really effective. Again, you can stick it anywhere. So here, just an example, I've stuck it behind the gear stick. And again, we've got various different colours that you can go through. It's quite versatile, and it's quite good that you can just move it about the car and put it anywhere. So just cycling through the different colours, you can see, again, you can add light to anywhere in the car that you want to. And just finally, just for an example, I've put it in the backseat footwell, so you can light that up if you've got backseat passengers and they want to see into the footwell, or you just want to light the back of the car up. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and also please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.